How to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. And after update our internet connection, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. And on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.